Well, the Shelby Tribute is going bye-bye. It's going up to, I guess, Augusta, Georgia. And he's taking it to a show, I believe, up in Pennsylvania somewhere in a couple days. So he's down here picking it up. We're getting it loaded. That looks good. It's a Mississippi plate. Looks good on there.
It does. I wanted to ask you.
Oh, there's my son.
Okay, good. I want to get him to sign that.
Yeah, he wants you to sign it.
Yeah.
Did you want to film anything? Film me saying goodbye to it.
Okay. It's nice when you raise a young colt into a pony and then into a stallion Shelby Cobra Mustang.
That's right.
And then it gets adopted to a new home. Look at that.
Really,
It's headed up to
2.0. This is a Mustang Corvair.
It's a Mustang Corvair. Raiders Naders, huh?
He said if I wrecked it putting it on the trailer that
Oh, you loaded it?
he'd sell it pretty cheap.
It would be wrecked.
I'd buy it back.
You do it?
Uh-oh, this window's down. You might run into rain.
Here. All right, here.
Adopted it out. Steve,
I need your signature.
I'm glad you got it. Yeah.
Is this what needs punched out?
Oh, you may sign that?
Yeah.
Pop signed it yet?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
want
I
you to
signed
sign
it.
Okay. Cool.
Oh, this one's down.
You got a pen?
That's up there. It's a little pull-off the sharp.
All right, cool. I'll grab it.
Yeah, you gotta. There, went.
Okay.
Well, I'm not on it.
Here.
There we go. It's on there.
Okay, you just put the key in and so he can put the window up.
Yeah, it's turn it on accessory.
Okay.
You can put the window up.
Okay. Find a hole.
Don't start it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you can help it up sometimes if it doesn't go all the way.
Yeah. Get it? There you go.
And you know about the trunk. Okay, I took the glass and threw it away.
Took a glass. Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Where do you want me to sign it? Right in here?
Sign it down, yeah, below mine, below the VIN plate.
There you go. All right, thank you.
He doesn't make a
You're a
signature
celebrity.
that you
I
can
wanted
see.
I wanted your autograph. You're a
Yeah.
celebrity.
He
Oh,
said
that's
you
accurate.
watched all the videos and
Oh, well, 2 or 3 times.
Yeah, he said he looked at the very first ones and it's like, oh, I don't know about this.
We were all sitting there going,
It's a rust bucket, but
it started out rough, but
it's all new.
yeah, everything.
but you got to realize how many guys have cars like that still have the interior and everything in. They spray some goop on them, you know, truck bed liner, and then it's like,
We're both here not putting up with this.
good to go. You know?
Because
Yeah.
I was going to keep this car forever.
I-
I wanted it perfect and all new metal.
Yep.
And he's the one that spent hours and hours getting these reveals.
Yeah, those door gaps are fantastic. They're tighter than they should be,
They are.
but they're I like them like that.
Well, you know, put it in perspective, it's a hand-built car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Might as well be-
almost all the parts, the metal, this stuff, the engine stuff, all came from Kentucky Mustang.
So if it's a hand-built car, it's actually a Ford Ferrari.
There you go.
Okay.
Yeah. There's a
I
Ferrari. You
didn't
put
get
the logo on the
money
hood.
for it.
Oh, you did say the stripes are on it, right? In
Yeah, the
back.
stripes are in the back, in the box.
Oh, if you want to do the rally straps,
I might. Yeah, I'm back and forth on it. I like it the way it is, but
I do too.
A lot of times guys put these on instead.
Yeah.
I don't know if you see them with both, probably.
I think so.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a picture. Matter of fact, here, just like one of the last pictures I took. It's the same as yours, 68, same color, and it had the 8. Come on. Come on.
I know it's
I
wrong with my
can't
phone.
find it. All the pictures are yours.
I checked the air pressure. I had them at 30 pounds. So it should be fine.
Okay. You can get on the road. We won't be back at Augusta until almost 9 o'clock, and then I'll be up at 4 o'clock in the morning heading to
So
Pennsylvania.
you're just leaving
You're
it
gonna-
locked down?
Oh, you're gonna tow it up to Pennsylvania.
Yep.
Gotcha.
It won't get them off the trailer till tomorrow this time. Maybe a little later. you know, and I'll
Is
get
that
it
a
all.
tilt trailer?
No. It's the fenders. You can take the fenders
Oh,
off.
that's what it is. Okay.
Well, actually, they don't come off. They tilt.
Okay,
You
I
pull
get
that
it.
out and
I
it
get
drops.
it. Yeah,
Oh, that's
yeah.
pretty
You
neat.
clear, so.
Yeah, that's.
So you can open the door if it's a low car. Yeah.
I mean,
That's pretty good design.
Just cleared.
You just got that an inch or so.
Oh, when he was in the car, it cleared by that.
I know.
We drove it. He drove it, came back. He goes.
Every
just
time
keeps-
I went to, you know,
He just keeps falling
give
on
it
his
gas,
face.
I thought it was out of gas because it was like,
Oh.
it was just falling on his
What?
face.
So me and his
Yeah, him and JC went. He's
JC,
like,
we went around. It's like, I mean, it's driving fine.
Yeah.
So he gets in it with me, go around the block again, and says, it's running, and then in third gear.
yeah, because the side to side on that is so
I hit
close.
fifth.
Oh.
He did the
Second
same
to
thing,
fifth.
and it fell on his
I
face.
go, wait a minute.
It's a tight
I
throw
missed third
with
gear.
that Tremec, yeah.
And he was missing
Right.
third as well. So
And a car like this, you got to keep the RPM up too. I was going into third at like idle speed at 40 mile an hour. You just chugga, 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 you know.
yeah.
You're in fifth, yeah. That's, you need to be going 90 to be in fifth.
Oh yeah. Don't even think about putting it in fifth if at least you're going at least 65.
Yeah.
I know it. Did you get the chain on the back?
No, I'll get it. Hold on.
I didn't know
Cool.
if you want to put one on it. I guess.
Yeah, I'll put one on.
All right.
Cool.
So
Okay. Last look. There she goes. Bye-bye, old friend.